Hey, what's good, everybody? Thank you for joining us once again here at Sticker LA. Another quick little video. This video is going to be showing you how we install one of the acrylic signs for the church. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or you can send us an email. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and hopefully you'll enjoy this one. Thank you. Peace. Alright guys, we are right here at the moment. We are heading down close to San Diego, right? We're going to be at a location that we're installing the acrylic sign for a church. So stay tuned, guys, to see the process and the final for this installation. Alright guys, peace. Alright, so we just stopped for a quick little breakfast in the morning, so we're going to IHOP right now real quick, but we're close by, so
at the light, use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Civic Center Drive.
Alright, we are here.
Then your destination will
So
right.
you see that spot right there? That's gonna be where we're gonna be putting the acrylic sign, the logo for the church. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So all right, guys, look, we're already putting the template to get ready to put the holes on. Look at that. Right on the money, guys. See that? And then you can see right here is where Saul's gonna drill to put the holes in there so we could put the acrylic. Looks pretty tight. So what you doing right now, Saul?
Making sure that the template stays really good taped up. So when we start drilling all the holes, I don't want that thing to come off, and then to reline that up, it's going to be pretty crazy. So it's better to do your diligent work. Make sure you do everything the right way and ensure yourself so you don't have to be having no oops in the middle of the job, because then you're going to suffer more.
There you go, guys. So we're here at Home Depot now, trying to get another one of these because it broke. See that? Came and bought this. So, and some other stuff that we need. All right, so what are you doing right here, Saul? What is this right here? These are the
mounts to put the acrylic sign, mount the acrylic sign on there.
So the acrylic is gonna go right on top right here.
Yeah, this is the female, and then behind the acrylic we have the male. We're gonna push it in and snap the sign on these quick snaps.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the final of this. This is gonna look amazing.
Yep.
So now we are about to install the actual sign. See right here, so placing it. So this is the mountain side. After that is the A, right?
The first thing.
Let's see this in a different angle. You see from here how it's looking. Looks amazing. Just get ready to see. Once we peel it off, it's gonna look amazing. Look at that. Okay guys, so we're almost at the end right here, finishing up. You can see how it's coming out. The reveal of the acrylic. So he's peeling off right now. The protection, the front. You can see right here the quality of acrylic sign. Look at that beauty right there. Okay guys, so here is the final right here. Let us know in the comments what you think. You know, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Please like, please subscribe, please share. We really appreciate every single one of you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys.